Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success. Now, I have a question for you. Are you a busy professional, high achiever, or an aspiring high achiever who wants to be the very best you can be, yet you're still struggling with the busyness that we all existing in the world, the emerging technologies and the fast-paced world? Perhaps you still have a huge to-do list, feeling a little bit overwhelmed, and you're looking for another way to achieve the results and the level of success that you desire. Well, if that sounds like you, then you've come to the right place. I have created a workshop called the Winning Edge Formula, and I'll be presenting this on the 24th of July, Tuesday, at Alex Surf Club, Alexandra Headlands here on the Sunshine Coast, 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Now, the reason I've put this together is over the years I've coached thousands of people, high achieving professionals. I've worked with them to change habits and behaviours. I've studied success. I've competed at a high level, and through all my years of experience I've put together this formula which will help you boost your results and create that level of success that you want. So if you're feeling stuck at your current level, or perhaps you just desire to be the very best person you can be, and maybe you know that you're the missing link, you're the person that's actually getting in the way of your success. You see, one of the things that high achievers suffer from is their brilliances can also be their biggest downfalls. The expectations, the pressure to get things done and to keep improving can actually create a low level of stress that you're running. And imagine being able to clear through that so that you can go with more flow and ease and step up and play that bigger game in your life, whether it's professionally or personally. Perhaps you want to be an influencer or have more impact in your life. Well, in the workshop, I'm going to teach you exactly what top performers do to set themselves up for each and every day. I'll give you a clear strategy that will help you keep focused on what's important. It's a simple formula and it works. I'll also share with you 3 critical actions that create gold medal performances. Some of this is from performance psychology, and yes, there will be examples from the sporting field, but it's a great place to take lessons back into our business and also our personal life. We'll delve a little bit deeper into your mindset, because truly today it's like you almost need to upgrade your software that you're running to keep pace in this fast world. The world has changed more in the last 20 years than it has for a long time, and there's a fundamental problem. Your brain is hardwired to keep you comfortable and safe, not happy and successful. So unless you understand a little bit more about your mindset, what's going on at the deepest level, because the part that you can't see actually runs your life, it's going to be really hard for you to achieve exactly what you want. So when you delve deeper, you can actually be able to create better results, make some changes and shifts. And I'll also make sure that you have the formula so you can take it away into your business or your personal life. So if this sounds something like you're interested in, the link is below. It's totally free. The details are on Eventbrite, and I'll put the link below. Share it, bring your colleagues or your team, because there's nothing like investing time out of your business or your busy work to come and focus on your best asset, yourself. Learn, grow, change, connect with some other people, and I guarantee you'll take away some new strategies so that you can boost your results, get back on track, step up, play a bigger game, or just achieve that small shift that you're looking for in your professional or personal life right now. I look forward to welcoming you to the Winning Edge Formula, the free workshop, 24th of July. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.